Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the sensitivity options in Garena Free Fire. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing your graphics settings in Garena Free Fire is easy. From the main dashboard of the app, tap the settings icon from the top right of the screen. In Settings, select Sensitivity from the left sidebar. Here you can adjust the sensitivity of these different actions, such as General Sensitivity, Red Dot, Sniper Scope, etc. You can tap Reset to change all sensitivity back to default. Once you are done, tap the X button at the top right to go back to the dashboard.